Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. For this video, I would like to teach you guys about basic Microsoft Excel tutorial. Before I start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Ahmad Rizq bin Zolkepeli and I am engineering student from group PI009E28. I will be the presenter for this tutorial lesson video. Let's move on to the next slide. So, this is the learning outcome that viewers need to achieve at the end of the tutorial. First, viewers are able to use basic function in Excel. Second, viewers are able to apply data given into the Excel. Third, viewers are able to construct table in Excel. And lastly, viewers are able to make calculation in Excel. So, this is the scenario that need to apply in this tutorial. Ahmad's plan to buy the new smartphone. By using his current savings, Ahmad had opened takoyaki business so that he can gain profits to buy the smartphone. After a week, Ahmad wants to identify either his profits obtained is sufficient or not to buy the smartphone. By using Microsoft Excel, we need to calculate his net profits and total sales. This is the data given for the item that Ahmad bought and data given for the sales of takoyaki. Now, I had already opened Microsoft Excel. As you guys can see, I had already filled the data given from the slide into the each cell. So now let's focus on the first table. To see the title of each column clearly, select the title and click on Web Text. To arrange the title so that it can look organized, select the title and align it in the middle. As you guys can see, we cannot see the word clearly. So what we need to do is drag column A little bit to the right. Let's move on to the calculation. To calculate the price per item, click on cell D2 and write equal sign B2 asterisk C2 and press enter. Now we get the price of 6th floor, which is RM23.40. Same goes as cell D3. Write equal sign B3 asterisk C3 and click enter to calculate the price of 5 soy sauce. Follow this step for remaining cell in column D. Other more easier method that you guys can do is just click on the bottom right corner of the cell D2 and drag it downwards to enable the same function of the following cells. Do not forget to convert number given into decimal number to represent the price. Just select the data and click General into Numbers. So, what we need to do is to calculate the total number of each column. Click on the cell B15 and write equal sign sum and select cell B2 until B13 and press enter. This number represents the total item that Ahmad bought. Use the previous step on the cell C15 and cell D15 to calculate total price of each item and total price per item. On the other hand, you guys can just click on the bottom right corner on the cell B15 and drag it to the right. As usual, do not forget to convert it into the number form. So, we had already done calculate the total number of each column. So now, we know that total expenses that Ahmad used to bought all the item is RM478.60. To make the data look organized, you guys can select all the data and click table on the insert section. We had done on the first table. Now, we proceed to the second table. You guys can follow the previous step to complete the calculation on this table. Now, we get the total type of each takoyaki that has been sold and the total sales of takoyaki in a week. To calculate the net profits, click on the cell I11 and write equal sign K8 minus D15 and press the enter. Net profit that Ahmad obtained is RM845.90. Congratulations guys, we are already done for the basic Microsoft Excel tutorial lesson. Now, we are able to use basic function in Excel, apply the data given in Excel, construct the table and make calculation in Excel. Do not forget to save it so that our progress will be saved. Thanks for watching this tutorial video. Don't forget to like this video and share. Thanks for watching.